Today we're going to paint a goldenrod wildflower with standard brush strokes and marks. Start with painting the stem from bottom to top with green. So if you falter with your brush while painting the stroke, you create an uneven stem automatically. This does not have to be a straight line. A stem is not perfectly straight and has unevenness. Let very thin stems come out of the middle stem and paint a leaf with one stroke. If you're not used to painting leaves, practice some loose leaves first to get more of a feeling. Now add thin stems in the upper half of the main stem. Make sure they really come from the middle stem. Add some mini leaves to the stems you just made. Make sure to let the leaves come out from the stem. Now it's time for the petals of this goldenrod. With the tip of your brush you press yellow dots or rounded shapes around the small stems. Around the beginning of the stem you start with many and thicker shapes and you make less and smaller shapes towards the top of the stem. While the petals are still wet, add some green to the round shapes near the bottom of the stem to get more dimension into the petals. Now add the yellow dots to the other small stems of the goldenrod as well. And enjoy this calming repeating brush marking that eventually ends into the petals of this goldenrod.